Jenny from Killer Ink here, and today we're going to be checking out this small but perfectly formed tattoo machine, the Dragonhawk Mast Tour. Weighing just 82 grams on its own, or 139 with the wireless battery pack attached, this is Dragonhawk's smallest pen style machine, making it ideal for conventions and guest spots. So, let's take a closer look. Undoubtedly, the biggest draw for this machine is its diminutive size, that really earns the name pen style. The slim 25mm grip diameter does mean that artists with larger hands might get through their grip wrap faster, but those with smaller hands will love it. The Mast Tour is 85mm, and when you attach the battery pack, it roughly doubles in size while maintaining the same diameter. You know what that means? Easy as pie to protect. The battery pack, which keeps the Mast Tour's Japanese cordless motor powered, has a 6 to 11 volt range, adjustable on the battery in 1 volt increments. You'll want to charge your battery pack for 3 hours to get 6 hours of working power, and Dragonhawk do handily include the USB-C cable you'll need. Even if you run out of power in the battery pack, all is not lost. Once that comes off, you can simply attach a high-quality RCA cable direct to the machine and use your favorite power supply. The RCA connector even lights up when power is flowing. Connecting the machine and battery is quick and easy. Just line up the slots and then pop the battery on. Hold on to the machine grip and twist the battery pack to adjust needle depth, which can go all the way from 0 up to 4mm. Stroke length is fixed in the Mast Tour at 3.5mm, a good all-round stroke length which works well for lining, shading and colour packing purposes. As well as being slim and lightweight, this machine looks great too, made from high-grade aluminium rods which have been polished, anodized and engraved. The grip can be totally removed from the frame of the machine and placed in an autoclave for easy cleaning. The battery's interface is super simple and can be found on the very top of the pack. You'll find one large power button as well as 5 LED lights with numbers either side. Most of the time, these lights will indicate your battery level, but they can also be used to see what voltage you're currently working at. Hold the giant power button down to turn the machine on or off, and click the button to increase the voltage. You can see here that when we click the power button, the next LED lights up. After a few seconds, the display reverts back to showing battery life in 20% increments. This pen-style tattoo machine from Dragonhawk works with your favorite universal Cheyenne-type needle cartridges and is available now to order from Killer Ink. So, now we've had a look at the Dragonhawk Mast Tour, what are your thoughts? Is this the slimline wireless machine of your dreams? Make sure to let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product videos and artist tutorials.